Hey guys, it's Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, today you can see I'm chilling here in my backyard. It's been raining, still the rain is coming. I'm going to show you a little bit behind the camera so you can see how it's looking with my pear trees and how the weather is looking like. But for now, we are going to focus on this propane gas. As you know, this is our new baby. This is our new propane gas. I got this gas from an open air market that we have here in Texas. It's called Traders Village. Traders Village is this huge open air market where you can find second-hand things. But unfortunately, this gas here was just not a second-hand, it's a new gas, but somebody who owned a shop before, so they closed that shop, but they were remaining with the merchandise they were selling. But this guy just brought those things in open air market, hoping to get something out of it. So we got it. This thing in the market, on the stores, you can find this thing $165 to $175. But in the free air market, I got it for $35. Yay! That's why I love open air market. You could actually find anything there. The reason why I have this matchbox here, this is propane gas. So this gas uses propane gas. As you know, I have a beautiful fancy house here in my home. I have a gas inside the home, but also I have my outdoor fire pit, which I'm going to show you a little bit. But we ordered this one here because sometimes when it's raining, I want to chill here like this, and I wanted to cook something. So today I am going to cook black tea. So black tea is just water with a mix of spices, but the spices that I'm going to be using, they are organic. I'm going to get directly from my kitchen garden. I'm going to show you my kitchen garden in a little bit, and my front yard porch where I have lemongrass. So I have here, this is a matchbox. I'm going to make fire in a little bit, but let me show you what I'm going to do. So over here, I have the ingredients or the spices from my kitchen garden. Let me come closer so y'all can see. This video is going to be as authentic, as natural as you can be. This one here is lemongrass, as you can see. And this one here is mint. All this mint is in my kitchen garden. I'm going to show you. And the lemongrass here is in my porch. So this is what we are going to use to cook. Let me put this here. So we are going to cook tea. This is pure water here. It's water. I chose this pot because this pot, I can use it in my gas. I don't care if it gets dirty or smoky or whatever here outside, because I use this pot to cook here. Because this is gas, this is fire. This fire is going to make the pot look dirty. So I don't mind about that. So first thing, we are going to lit fire. And then before that, I am going to use the mint, the lemongrass, or also I'm going to use tea. This is a black tea from East Africa, Kenya, my home. Yes, as you know, Kenya is the huge uh, plantations of tea leaves. And these are the little packets that we have. Came actually from direct from the factory. Okay, when we went home, so I had to go inside the factory. I had to get this one from the place called Kericho. Kericho is a town in East Africa, Kenya. So we had this one here. So we are going to use this black tea. Actually, I'm going to use maybe 2 packets of black tea. This one here. And also, I'm going to use this one. Is called tea masala. This one also I got it from Kenya. It's tea masala. Okay, so all these spices, we are going to make tea. First, we need to lit our gas. Let's lit our gas. So I'm going to use this match. I have this long matchbox, but I don't know where it is right now. But for now, we are going to lit our gas. But the thing I need to do, I need to turn my gas this way because the opening is from this side. Give me a second. That's why I told you this video is as raw as you can see. So let's turn our gas this way. So this thing is going to face this way. All right, guys. It's heavy, I'm telling you. It's really, really heavy. So let's make our gas stove face this way. This is much better. I want to move it a little bit outside because I don't want it to be closer to the house. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to put it this way. Make sure it's stable. And we need to lock here. He has these things comes off, but you can lock it, guys. My neighbor's cutting grass is too loud. But you guys, I hope you can hear me. Oh my God, my neighbor. Why now when I'm recording my video? But that's okay. So we are going to lit fire. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open the stove this way. Make sure it's open. And I'm going to release the gas like that. And also, I want to make sure I'm adjusting. So guys, I want to bring my face because this is gas. So as you can see, the fire is lit. You can see we have fire. If you want to adjust the fire, this red thing here can make the fire go. See? We have fire, but I want the fire to be low. I don't want it higher. So this is enough. So if I want two of them, the stoves, this is why I love this thing. If you want to cook ugali, greens here, or you're cooking corn, whatever here, you are going to use both. But now I'm using only one. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my water here on my stove. Yay! And I'm going to start adding my mint because everything is going in here. So the mint is going in there. The lemongrass is going in there. And I'm going to show you where I plant this lemongrass, where I got it from. It's going in there. Also, the tea leaves is going in here from Kenya. Yeah, Kenya has lots of tea plantation. What I do, I peel this and drop this in here. And also we're going to drop another one because I want it to be strong. Guys, the aroma. Hey, hey, hey. The aroma. Look at that. That is what we are going to do. And the next thing I'm going to do, my tea masala. I'm going just to put a little bit here and drop it in there. A little bit more. Hey. All right. Oh my God. The aroma. I'm telling you. That comes from here. Also, I have my cup and my zipper ready. When tea is ready, we are going to drink right here outside. So I wanted to do this video as authentic as it can be. So the good thing I love about this outdoor stove, I can be sitting here, guys, chilling. Oh, my socks. So I can be sitting here, chilling, watching my beautiful background. Let me show you my background. Give me a second. Let me show you. I can be here, look, watching my kitchen garden right there. Let me take you closer. This is my kitchen garden here. This is where I got my mint. Guys, this cantaloupe is swallowing my mint. So my mint is in here. Look at this cantaloupe. This is the mint right here. We got some mint, but now the cantaloupe is swallowing the mint, which I'm going to fix. So over here, we have some cantaloupe mint here. We have more mint right here. This is the mint. We got it from there. And this is the view of my kitchen garden. For those ones who want to know, I have a beautiful kitchen here. This is cantaloupe here. We have some kales. We have some plum tree. We have some kales here. Let me show you. We have beautiful organic kales. We have okra here. This is okra actually. And we have more kales. right? So this is our kitchen garden. Also, we have some pears for those ones who want to know. We have two trees of pears here. Look at that. Aha, this is the view I'm watching when I'm sitting. Let me show you guys the view of my neighbors. I love it. I'm standing here. You can see those flowers right there coming from my neighbors. I love those flowers. The view from my place here, that. I'm loving that view. Whoa, my kitchen garden and my neighbor's view. Look at that. This view is a million view. You can take pictures here. My gosh. But now let's go cook our tea. You can see our tea is boiling, our black tea. Guys, I'm telling you the aroma. Whoa, that comes from here. So I'm gonna let it boil for a while because I want everything to blend in. So we are going to wait for a little while, let it cool, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm going to enjoy with. Yes, our tea is boiling. So I am going to sip my tea here. I don't use sugar. I started not to be using sugar. So the aroma itself is enough for me. So no sugar. And I'm going to show you where I planted my lemongrass before we finish this video. Okay, so stay with me. Umoto lifestyle, authentic and raw videos on how I make my cup of black tea using some of the spices from my kitchen garden, raw and cut videos. Guys, wait. Now our tea is still boiling because I want the aroma to blend in. I want that mint. Let me show you. I want this mint together with the black tea and lemongrass to blend in, guys. Look at that. This is what you need, especially in the morning. What? Look at that. So guys, after finishing cooking my mint tea, it's finally time for Umoto Lifestyle to sit down and chill and enjoy her hard working from kitchen to the stove, right? This is how I do it sometimes when I want to cook outside, especially when I'm not working, when I off my off days. This is what I do here in the backyard and make content for you. So my black tea is here. Let me show you how it looks like. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Cheers. Guys. The aroma. The best tea actually in the world. Like authentic, organic from your backyard to the table. And oh, I forgot. I was going to eat with my dazi. I have this mandazi is a mixture of dough, sugar, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt, and of course baking powder. Some people use yeast, and you make this mandazi. This is a snack. We call it a snack. You can call this a snack. It's so delicious. I'm telling you, especially when you are eating it with this tea. So let me enjoy. Let me take a bite so y'all can see how Moto lifestyle eats. So Mm. You take a bite, and then you sip. Oh my goodness, guys. This is heaven. I am in heaven. So far, I'm loving my cook camp here. The good thing with this cooker is that you can travel actually with it. So for those ones who love traveling like myself, we were camping outside, you can just put in a car and go with it wherever you want to go. So before I go, I promise you I'm going to show you how my what was that? I promised to show you something. Let me show you something. Wait, give me a second. Show you where I got my lemongrass. This is one of my lemongrass that I got for my tea. I have a couple which are now doing well, but this is the one that is doing so well. I have another one here. I have another one here that is coming up. So oh well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, authentic video from Umoto Lifestyle. I hope you subscribe, you share with your family members, and tell somebody, and tell somebody, and tell them about Umoto Lifestyle YouTube channel. It's about the village girl. She's thriving or surviving or hustling here in the US, trying to make you content, actually trying to share how America live here. I mean, how we live here as foreigners, how everybody lives here, the authentic village life. You can make a village life here. It's how you want to live in America. As I told you before, America has different sides of living. You can choose yourself how you wanna live. You can live the life of filthy rich. Okay, you can be middle, you can be low. It doesn't matter. Here in America, everybody is surviving in their own way, and this is Umoto lifestyle survival. Okay, and I'm gonna share with the world. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.